Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video montage on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select some videos here. I'm just going to adjust it to the frame ratio as well. And I'm just going to make all of them like around, what, 5 seconds-ish. I feel like that's too long. Let's just do like this much. Like half of it. It's up to you basically, but I'm just gonna do it like this. Then add in video transitions. So go to transitions here. And I'm going to add in the black fade to each of them. Or you can just apply it all here. I forgot you could do that. And then go to effects and type in camera focus. And add it to your video. I'm just going to add it to the first one. Then I'm going to also add in the fade in animation to it. So just click the video, animation, in, and select the fade in. And then here we're going to go to animation and we're going to select out and we're going to select fade out. Then on this video, add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end you're going to want to zoom out, You're going to want to zoom out. Like that. Then you're just going to add in filters according to your liking, but that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.